How to fix Wi-Fi connection problems on your iPad A16. So if your iPad A16 is having Wi-Fi connection issues, you can start with your basic troubleshooting to rule out the simple causes that is making this happen. So first of all, you can go ahead to your device settings or your Apple settings, and then you're gonna toggle your Wi-Fi off and on. It's a little simple, but sometimes this does solve the problem. Or you could turn off your airplane mode for about 10 to 15 seconds, or just turn it off in general. Since network glitches are often temporary, make sure you're also connected to the Connect network. And if you'd like, you can always try to reconnect. So to do this, you can go ahead to whichever connection you are connected to, press on that, and then choose the forget network option. So press and forget this network and just reconnect using the same password or in whichever way you connected in the first place. Other than that, you could also try using different connections. So maybe you can use your other device's hotspot or data or any kind of other connection to see if it is the connection itself that is having the issue. One other thing you can do is if you are using a router or Wi-Fi, you can move closer to it to avoid weak signal interference and check if other devices have the same issue to rule out the router problems. If you have VPNs turned on, you can try turning them off since these can interfere with connections. And if your iPad still won't connect or keeps dropping Wi-Fi after doing all these, the issue may be somehow hardware related, and you may need to contact Apple support or have the device itself checked. But those are a few options you have to fix your connection problems on your iPad A16. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.